My name is Richard Lamour. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at Olympia Orthopaedics, and I'm a knee, ankle, and foot specialist. What led me to orthopedics was my own injury in college. That gave me a great experience on being a patient, and it gave me a lot of empathy for patients. So now I really rely on that experience. During my training, I was able to work with a lot of high-level athletes and teams, particularly at University of Miami with the Hurricanes football team, the Auburn University football team, as well as several minor league teams in Florida and the Miami Marlins professional league, baseball. Well, what brought me to Olympia was my wife. She's from Portland, and we sort of got as close as we could. And it's been a great opportunity, and living here in the Northwest and right here on the Sound. What attracted me to Olympia Orthopaedics was a great group of specialists and folks who are taking care of patients in the community here. And they're doing it at a high level, and I wanted to be part of that. My practice is really focused on sports medicine, injuries of the knee and the ankle and foot. A large component of my practice is a minimally invasive foot and ankle surgery, particularly involving the forefoot with minimally invasive bunion correction. The same approach is applied to athletes or just workers, which is to return people back as quickly as they can, and just providing the most cutting edge medicine and treatment to them. My patient care philosophy really focuses on listening to you as a patient and coming to a diagnosis, a treatment plan together, and providing the best care possible to get the best outcome possible. Be sure to come see me for any of your knee, ankle, and foot issues so we can keep your life in motion.